Then you don't think Sassy feel or pick them. You don't think Sassy feel or pick them. You never done go your child until you dead. Or one of them dead. So you don't think Sassy feel or pick them. Then me that like to see my mother upon the upper behave like Sassy. So tell people that I drag her for no reason. People who don't even know her. Then you don't think she feel her children. Sweet and Sassy. Then Sweet and Sassy favor daddy. Then it's who not bury the lady properly. It's also wicked and not bury the lady properly. Look at Sweet and Sassy. Then Jesus have mercy. Then she said this a bit here early for Halloween.
Me have people have problem. Me not followers for Instagram. I don't know how much followers now funny.
Thank you.
Stop mix up with people.
Exactly.
Yeah, what that have to live for?
Exactly.
Me live till me 58.
Eh?
I see all on the past words. Me last speak me at 80.
Tappy. You are? Yeah, 58. Come add some more and you two blood shall we conquer with this, you know?
I got 19 this year. I'm live till me 58. You don't want to live for the real past version, yeah?
So she dead now? She said she lived till she 50. With the blood. Lord have mercy.
This is a way I want to live, little girl. This is a way I want to live. This is a way you want to live.
Answer already! Me answer you!
It's a place to live. You don't feel your own bedroom set or the second bedroom set of the church in America. The second bedroom set you
answer. How much time?
You don't feel the food. All when me not did it, me make sure say then grocery shop what grocery in the house and then me go shop. And me not did it this week, me make sure say then go shop. What the problem what you want out of life? What you want out of life, Shania? What you want out of life, little girl? And this me carry you America for. And this me take abuse from David for carry you come America for.
But when you bring me come, you never tell me what to do. When she bring me come, she never tell me what to do.
And this me take abuse from my fucking husband for you to come America for.
Oh, you get beat up. She get beat up. She can't drink something. She can't drink water. Oh, she walk without water. A picnic.
You're not here. You don't hear when me talk. You're not here when me talk.
Hopefully she'll listen to you, Sassy. Take it easy and watch your social media because them young people are being tough, Sassy. They're really tough. You understand? But again, we do the best we can as parents, but it comes a time when we have to leave them to make their decision. You understand me? You know, if you say, listen, I can't put my mother through this, then what you have to do? It makes sense to load up yourself, run up your blood pressure. I know you have enough to deal with already. I know he's your daughter, I know you love her, but again, if you have any love for you, she'll change her ways. So this is not lead on a good path. You can't get no good result from this. We're not ask Christ. So she have to look at herself and understand. So listen, enough is enough, and she have to make that that conscious decision. But girl, them tough. Them really, really tough.
Hi Sassy, how are you, girl? I'm good, my dad. Internet have no problem. Hi Sassy, take it easy, my darling. I'm hearing you, I feel your pain. I feel your pain. I'm listening to you. Take it easy, mind your blood pressure. But you have to just pray for your children because, trust me, I don't know, but you have to just continue. Keep hope. And remember your pressure, darling.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you hear me because my internet.
That's why I'm not breathing now. I'm I can't come on the app and class people and class them family. And I know my pity them the right shows. I have a couple dog out the road this way and I'm not tell you no lie. Other day I slump on here so after I tell the big one don't breed no more. The big one just a breeder go away, a breeder go away. And the other day I have to run her. I tell her say I don't want her around me. And I out the road I say she go have the balance. And then I just feel here so one day and I see she walk I carry them come. I think it was a Sunday. Yeah man, like you know, yeah, come let them look for them granny. I don't want nobody hold me up, my love. You find your trouble, you go fix it yourself. Yeah? Yeah? Sassy have the whole heap of dirty clothes, Latte. Whole heap of dirty clothes and sit down on the app. And you know, steer, you pick them good. Your man beat you, you know, learn nothing from it. You should have come up and talk about abuse in a relationship and them something there. You sit down with your old self. Your old all wrinkle drop down underneath your neck. Me and you look the same. Me and you look the same. Neck and neck, we know the nursing home. And you sit down here so behave. So go on here. Children live what them learn. You go like kids have no good past. And you alone still gonna make man beat up by you. They need the Bettina Turner. No, it's true, Sister Winnie. It's when you see these. Let me say this to you all. The ladies on the app who have things to attend to, but yet still not focusing on what is important to them. This is the stuff you have happening. You understand me? Now when you look at Rosalie, how many times have we talked to Rosalie and say, Rosalie, get off the app, attend to your soul. You see, it is easy to buy into a life that is dirty. And for such, we're going to have a lot of these things coming out on the app. Because we're not making any room at all. We don't want change, and the Bible are fulfilled. And we all have to adhere to the fact that the Bible is fulfilling. But what part of the Bible are you fulfilling? When you look on all of them, don't something. See video little with Fabino was so good. You understand me? Who are we trying to destroy here? That is the problem. Who we are trying to destroy? You see, these are the stuff we sit down and watch generation curse take a family. And you understand me? And we not say nothing about it.
It is in and out.
Yeah,
but keep courage. Pray for you with some strength. As a mom, as a mom to a mom, we know when we grow our children all by ourselves.
A pity party then, yeah.
We are so protective, we want the best of them. We do everything in our powers. And when you're a single mom, we know the road is and the struggle. But girl, if they don't listen to us, we don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know. But still you have to remember yourself. You have done your best already, Sassy. You have done your best and don't feel like you have failed. Don't feel like you have failed. You have done your best, girl.
Then you don't think Sassy feel or pick them. You don't think Sassy feel or pick them. You never done go your child until you dead. Or one of them dead. So you don't think Sassy feel or pick them. Then me that like to see my mother on the upper behave like Sassy. So tell people that are dread her for no reason. People who don't even know her. Then you don't think she feel her children. You can't live a life without strength and want your children to come and live a life of strength. You never have no strength to teach them. So why them parents are parents sideways? And now you take it to the net. Then you think this is going to help your daughter? The mere fact that you come to the net with your child's problem and try to talk to your child, it doesn't spell no sense for you. You're a big dirty stink and careless. On a big and careless. Every single thing on a bring to the internet. What is this doing? You as a mother, you don't have no pressure for go up. This is your form of excitement. You love this. You live for this. And this is what I'm telling you guys. We will go to the extreme in order to stay relevant. See Fabi picks up put out there. Fabi is so good. Me still ask, who in the equation are we trying to hurt? If Fabi Mouth a pass on donkey, if Fabi Mouth is a robot taxi, who are we trying to hurt? You understand what I say? And all these young men feel privileged enough to expose a girl. But can you blame them because these are not men? So if them and a man trying to look for nothing manly from them, you know, trying to look for nothing from them. As simple as that. It is sad and sickening. Honestly, it is sad. We are in a state of disrepair. It is sad. So you as a mother rather come to the internet to talk to the secret to the net. You know, so no come like cute boss for bring our son back up on the internet. Me no know how to stay so for mother, you know. Me don't know how to stay so for mother. Then you think this look good if your daughter disgraces herself in public, it's your duty to talk to your belly pain in a private. How you think it's gonna make you look? And then no one people for pity uno. So uno make on a daughter situation for uno story. That's why I can't talk to the pick them and the pick them change, you know. Cause them say right through uno. Remember uno look proud. Thank you, Sea Breeze. Una look proud. You never know. I respect them. It's just the truth. You see, man. As me say, Zandrama really don't like Jaden. Cute boss not like Jaden. I'm tired to tell Jaden, so nobody now talk oh Fabi Mouth depend everybody cocky. So since Jaden is a dog rat and sorcerer, nobody now talk. So for all the people them we talk and I say X, Y, and Z. So like how Fabi a walk I use her lip and major body. Nobody now talk. All that go. Where's Andrama have to say? What she have to say? Jaden, them boy you come for mash up in your prank. Mind your prank backfire in your face. Them boy you come for mash up in your prank because Fabi and Mokas you can't par with Fabi and from your par with Fabi your ratings drop. Jaden be careful. Lego Mokas. Lego Mok. Auntie, you need a pink wig now. You need a pink in your hole. Remember your whole wipe out. Remember your early childhood education, you know. Your early childhood. And from your young, you taste still, you know. You don't have no pink, purple. Nothing of them colored in your belly button. But for a reason I'm a baby. So when you talk about I want a pink wig now, you want the pink in your belly button. Happy wife Martin send me this. Tip on this, you know. Oh, cause on the belly bottom smell like broke egg. I do one class, so now we done say Fabi is a dog, and we done so the boy them a drunk crowd. And then boy you know fuck the boy them wanna use to crutches. Some boy then Fabi you walk off then Fabi come here now. See sometimes when you skin out and give some boy your hole. A wickedness, you know, cause them boy you no forget crutches, you know. None of them boy from pops go right up no forget crutches. You don't believe me? I saw them boy you walk and tell pam pum pum. Them boy you walk and tell pan crutches, me can't believe it. Cause Fabi boss you know. Good God almighty man, Fabi boss you know. Sometimes you have boss a youth, you know, and that's a Fabi. Fabi boss the app. My love. Then Fabi, I really want to ask you. That's so as you see man, you just name them. You know, say Fabi man craven. The girl man craven. As so as you see man, you just name them. Tell us something. Enough of them boy at internet make enough of them boy get crutches. At internet make enough of them boy get crutches. Guyana, big up yourself, Netta slim size. Internet, if I never for internet, no for them boy you would not get pum pum. Me not ask your internet. You know, see how them boy are going. Our internet make enough of them boy, you know, it's a relationship. You know, so make you manage it. Enough of them boy are some group up boy will go home go jerk off. Enough of them boy are body new to crutches. You're welcome, my baby. When you see them can do this, because if you have a girl on the app and she a bust it up boom boom, because me not in a lie. For all them boy you behave, I couldn't believe that they would have stooped to Fabi. Because Fabi don't look like somebody we can sex. Not a scamming is internet. Not a scamming, a internet. Then just hide behind scamming. Not a scamming, my baby. Enough of them boy behave so because them body new. You never know, so them not there with nobody. Nobody no want them. When you see a group of man can run after the same girl, it simply means that them now go fish and them now sex no crutches and them never sex no crutches yet. You never know. Some of them girls drop them standard for some boy where almost them island and them back almost mad them. You never know. Who remember when Slime first came on the app? Slime fever spit. Slime fever spit. When Slime just come on the app. Enough of them boy are not coming from anywhere. You never know. No, on a serious note, if I never for TikTok, enough of them boy the island of them back kill them. The island of them back would have charged a manslaughter. Explain all of that. If you don't mind shop, enough of them boy that turn farmer, they would have walk a pick grape. You never know. You know what hurt? No for una and nobody on the app, you know. You see behind the screen a filter, you know. No for una and nobody, you know. Sometimes when them slide through my For You page and see no for una my stomach sick. No for una bapana, rapana, japana, lapana, guan, and I sit down in the most bossy way. No for una don't even know how una sit down in a bay. No for una and nobody. Una and a body, una have this profile on the app like yeah. You know things are going for me a big dog. Share them and a body, nothing now going for them, enough of them hungry than me and you. Them turn on them life to see if them can buy one spliff. And when you reach out to them now, you hear them depend, yeah man, I'm here to tell you, say, yo mama, you hear me? Mama, you hear me? Mama, your mama got char, your mother got char. Got char the leather out of her crutches. And that trick enough for them. That is why they behave like this. Blow a woman said last night, I licked down this. Never yet. You know, see every dirty boy come on the app now. Every dirty boy come on the app, and if them have a copy of them under the iPad thing that. And them a profile under the filter, and sometimes when you see them in real life, them clothes nyam up, nyam up, nyam up, nyam 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 up. And for them favorite color and sunburn. That's why enough girl fly don't come there with madman. Enough girl fly don't come there with madman. Enough girl fly don't come there with some boy we never visit dentist yet. Enough girl fly don't come suck history out of teeth. A lot of females lower on a standard, on a drop on a guard. No for uno from a boy turn on the live him sexy to uno. Desperation a beat on the crutches like Congo drum. Get a drum, make me hear the sound. Analyze Spanish vanilla. You see some boy on the app, why you should have take them, all them single, which community them come from, oh nobody know them community no want them. Nobody know why you and me must take you from far. So all near no want you. And how far you want to take it, me no want you. And you put some dirty foot in a hotel, the only time them be there when you come. Babes, we're going to the spa. I never do this yet, and I'm going to tell you something. You know, so I'm used to this. Yeah, man, me used to them something, yeah, man. Yeah, you see all my first woman, and him tell you all of them. Enough madman on the app. That's why them can send out Fabi mouth and throat and all. Enough madman on the app. No, true, something I tell you now. A lot of mad people on the app. When I think a joke. Anytime you see the live and the boy them group up, you notice how all of the man them brave for coming in front of the camera now. Because them have them rags I sell. Them depend, yeah. Some of them dress up and beard up and come out. Yeah, my team. Yeah, hear me?